Court calls the case, The Haven versus Jeffrey Perry.
Jillian Hagan for plaintiff.
How you doing, Joe? I'm doing well. Yourself?
Oh, great.
You're Mr. Perry?
Yes, I am.
All right. And where are we on his case?
The balance in pretty court costs is $4,260.52.
All right.
You have a note from my client concerning the repairs issue.
Okay.
So, they performed a mold test, and they didn't really find it much. So maintenance supervisor walked the apartment, did a kills treatment. Rooms. They also repaired the first floor holes, had both bathrooms painted. The toilet parts were replaced, and the lid switched to the water place. There is one toilet repair still pending. There was a part that needed to be ordered.
Got it.
That's the notes I have.
So they came in and did some stuff.
Some stuff, but the washer it wasn't replaced. It still doesn't work. They took it apart and they never came back over with the part. They said they was going to come back over 2 days ago, but they never came.
Is that the switch that's missing, or you say they replaced the switch, which sounds like it wasn't operational, but then they would have put a switch in. It should have been operational, but you're saying it's not operational.
Yeah, they did. They said they don't have the part. So they said they would have.
That might be the part they're ordering then.
Okay.
Got it.
All right. So for the bathrooms, it's still doing the same thing. It's causing, like when I first moved there back in December, later I let them know what was going on. They delayed the mold test for like 2 or 3 months. They didn't do it until I said
They just did a mold test.
They just did it, yeah. But they just did it. Was this like 5 months later? But I requested back in December.
Okay, so what do you want me to do with that?
Yeah, I had a lot of damages since then because
what damages?
Had to get hotels for some days. Had to miss work some days. I was in the house getting really sick. They say it's not mold. It's something in there. And I still have it.
All right, so
he moved in December and reported mold immediately. They didn't test for 5 months. Now he's sick, missed work, paid for hotels, and owes $4,260. Watch how this judge responds.
Has any rent been paid?
Not since the end of March.
Okay, so why hasn't the rent been paid?
It initially, because I had a lot of repairs and stuff that need to get done. I kept promising to come, haven't came, kept saying they're gonna come, didn't come. I didn't pay the rent, went on ahead and mold test. And then said they had a little.
You have the funds.
I have some of it now because I had to use.
How much do you have?
I have 2,000.
All right, but if you have 2,000, where's the other 2,200 going to come from?
So when I applied for the CERF program with DHS.
How many people are in your unit?
2.
So the most they're going to pay is about $520.
Yes, and I'm asking the court to exercise the MCL 554139. The house is not in unlivable condition with the home being that way. Like right now, I'm sick and irritable.
All right, look, if that's fine. If that's no, I don't exercise that. You need to file a written answer. I'm going to order that written answer be due. You need to file a written answer by the 22nd. Alleging all of your complaints and the basis for which you're not paying rent. I'm also going to order the escrow to be placed within 7 days, today's the 15th. So I'm going to order it as of, what is monthly rent?
Judge didn't let him off the hook on rent, but ordered escrow payments and gave him until May 22nd to file a written answer listing every complaint. The landlord now has to answer for all of it.
1950.
I have 1780 is just rent, and then there's other monthly fees that are, but the rent.
The base rent is 1780. One second, and then, all right. I'm going to order escrow in the amount of the 17. I would normally be due on the first of month for beginning in June. You're to place $1,890 or $890 into rent within the next 7 days. And then 1780 thereafter as we go forth. I'll let them. Hopefully that part will come in. I'll adjourn this out to May 29th, 2026. So your answer is due next week. I'll see you in 2 weeks at 2 p.m. And then you need to deposit the 890 in and then the 1780.
John, can you put up the file for Nicholas Owens? He's on Zoom, please.
Yeah. I'll have to get that file in or get. Where are you, folks? Jennifer down there? Weisman? I need the civil file. Can you
Yes.
tell them, Heather?
Yes, I will call him.
Owens. Nicholas Scott Owens, 1-8T-620-7558.
Hey, churches.
What's he doing? I thought I told you, your name, sir?
Nicholas Scott Owens.
I thought I told you you had to appear in person, didn't I, at some point?
Yes, and then I got an email saying you would do it over Zoom.
And then you didn't show up June 10th
Yes, sir, I did not.
of last year.
Judge gave him Zoom for his hearing. He didn't show. Then a whole year passed. Now he wants Zoom again, and this judge is done being patient.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Well, what? Seriously? Now you want me to do it by Zoom a year later? I'm not doing it by Zoom. Now I thought I was a little harsh with you, I'm gonna be honest with you. But you didn't show up in June. Okay, so I don't care if you live in North Dakota or China or wherever you live. I'm not doing this by Zoom. You're going to have to show up in person. This is ridiculous. Why would you do this?
Judge canceled the warrant, gave him every chance, even allowed Zoom, and he still didn't show. Warrant reissued, must appear in person. Did the judge make the right call? Drop your opinion below, smash that like, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments every day.
I understand I made some mistakes.
Well, you have. And Heather, re-enter the warrant cancellation. I'm going to indicate defendant appeared on Zoom, failed to appear in 2025, and that was on failed to appear on June 10, 25, needs to appear in person. You mean even after I did that for you, you decided you weren't going to show up? I'm just shocked.
Yeah, I was nervous to come back. I'm sorry.
Well, you didn't need to be. But I was even letting you appear by Zoom on June 10th. We emailed you other times. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. Owens. You're going to have to appear in person at this point. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Sorry, Your Honor.
That's all right. Reissue the warrant, Heather. Where's the civil file?
It should be on its way down.
He just said he has it.
Yeah, I'm just stamping.
Okay, they did bring it up.
I went in.
Do I have any notes on here? Yeah. Did I not?